We are Happily Ever Elementary, and these are our beautiful paper flowers from the Creatively Inspired line by Carson DeLosa.
These paper flowers come in warm and cool colors with 3 beautiful flowers in different sizes. Each comes with everything you need to assemble these flowers, including easy to follow directions, but we'll go ahead and give you a tutorial.
Step 1 is prepping the petals. First, you are going to fold the petals vertically, and then you are going to curl back the sides. Using a pencil is optional. To make things go faster, we always use at least 3 petals at a time.
Step 2 is to add dimension to the petals. The package comes with glue dots for your convenience if you do not have a hot glue gun. We prefer to use hot glue because it has proven to be the most durable and long-lasting. At the bottom of the pre-cut petals, you will either use the provided glue dots or a dot of hot glue on one side of the cut. Overlap the other side by just a little, holding it firmly to secure it. Do this to each petal.
Step 3 is to assemble. Using the guidelines on the circle, you will place 6 petals down at a time, securing it with glue dots or a hot glue gun. You will work your way from the outside of the circle in, starting with the largest petals on the outside and finishing with the smallest petals towards the center.
Step 4, and the final step, is to secure the center of the flower. There are 3 beautiful options pre-cut that you will simply glue right in the center. You can bend the edges forward to add a 3D effect. There you have it, the perfect dynamic decor to bring any space, event, or bulletin board to life with gorgeous color and dimension.